paidbah nong shnong ka shnong Maikhuli mentakasngi ka khatway tarik unaitung kilayami paidbah ban Pyrshah jur halor ka jingya soy ka MOU hapdeng ka jala Meghalaya bat ka Assam ha ka jingya penbek put penbek sam ka badai ka wat ka banengkong ba ka pung dohkha jong ka shnong Maikhuli lapan hap sya ka jala Assam ha ka ni ka jingya paidbah ki nong shnong ka Maikhuli nado ki longkemi ki longkpa ki samla bat ki nong yalam shnong kilayami paidbah banra yala ki banar ki plakat bat ki jingtho bapun rukom ki ba penrem halor ka jingpynhap jubor ya ka pung dohkha sya ka jala Assam kila dawar ru naga sarkar Meghalaya ba ka dei ban penphai biang ya ka tei ka pung dohkha sya ka shnong Maikhuli ka ba hap haribhoi district ha ka jala Meghalaya bat kila dawajur naga sarkar Meghalaya ba ka sarkar Assam ba kin pen kala biang no ya ka MOU bat ban penphai no ya ka tei ka pung dohkha sya ka shnong Maikhuli ha ka ba kila penpau ru ba kin no mailat ya ka tei ka pung dohkha ka bala ri la sumar da ka shnong kan sulej e no sya ka jala Assam
Chief Minister Comrade Sangma ko nga akan na mula kasabe jingiya MOU sign ka ba ko Assam aro Meghalaya government sakani asong ka ba ko please nipulbo jengade maina jenga fishery gure jengade maina watjawa jengade maina skanguni bulsi sopunga gatam jengan jakhalnga ini gemen jengade maina fishery gure jengado onjawa na sir please na nibo trong sa nangi MOU sign ka ba ko na nipulbo aro jenga mai jingi district council ni haako na dikin direct do na manjawa mai jengade maina ino six sidil donga ingkode na direct na manjawa ro sir na please na jingi ang bangi ba kan jawa na khasapai na judge kana khasai mana na jirakeban a nipulbo angan nang ko yinun mithela.
We are protesting here regarding Meghalaya government and Assam government. They have already signed the MOU in Delhi, but there is one point we have objectionable that memorandum number 5. I'll read out this memorandum. Whereas in the meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya on 6 August 2021 at Guwahati Regional Committee headed by a minister with local MLA and other officers as members both side for the 6 area of difference covering 3 districts each of on both sides were to be constituted for jointly visiting the area followed by their independent analysis of the area of difference using 5 mutually agreed principle. IA1 historical perspective, 2 ethnicity of local population, 3 contiguity with boundary, 4 people's will, and 5 administrative convenience at yardstick. We have learned that this point is not going to for our side. It is objectionable that people's will. This should be done by the Meghalaya government or Assam government. This is a very important point, and administrative convenience as yardstick, because Meghalaya government is already was given to us all the facility, schools and roads and everything given by the Meghalaya government. But Assam, we don't have any single paisa also. That's why we have objection that this fishery fund, actually this is given to the Assam government, that memorandum number 11, memorandum number 15, I read out: area out of the shared area, claim area of 2.29 square kilometer, a total of 0.50 square kilometer, approximately parts of the village Maikhuli, Pilangata, and Borabhata Stonegwari area will be with Meghalaya. Further, in Khanapara area, out of 0.08 square kilometer demanded during the discussion, it is agreed that the ASTC transit camp of police outpost Namkor Assamese inhabited area of number 1 Khanapara village and Dreamland resort area totaling approximately 0.03 square kilometer will be Assam. that place also, some Khanapara area also already given to Assam. The rest of the 0.5 square kilometer area, including the entire apartment complex of Brahmaputra Realtors Private Limited, will be with Meghalaya. In rest of the portion between ASTC Transit Camp to Dreamland Resort boundary will be along with the road connecting to the GS road. In Patarkusi area, inhabited by Garos and other ethnic communities of Meghalaya and their religious and cultural places, if any, will be included in Meghalaya during detailed survey. In Maikhuli area, Muammari Bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam. That's why we are protesting this very important matter, that the playground will be Meghalaya and graveyard will be Meghalaya. Then between this fishery pond, how it is going to Assam? That's why we have protesting this thing, especially this fishery pond. We have maintaining more than 50 years. So we have constructed returning wall and job card signboard is also here, and fishery we have given pieces here. Every year we have catching and we have selling, and that financial we have managing some schools and others also. That's why. And another bill, this is not the Muammari bill. We call this Meghalaya in our Maikhuli village. This is the Maikhuli village fishery pond. Only we written this name, Maikhuli village fishery pond, not the Muammari bill. Muammari bill is 1 kilometer far from here. This is called Patorkusi Nogaung. There is no place now, Muammari bill, there is no. Because this is already filled up and constructed dwelling house, everything. That's why people are not known. That's Muammari bill. Actually, it is not called the Muammari bill. This is the Muammari bill is different. That's why we are protesting and giving the memorandum to Chief Minister and our Honorable Magistrate and DC also, Deputy Commissioner also. Just early when the Chief Minister came to this Umsning block inauguration, that time we have given the a memorandum also, and Deputy Commissioner Ripoy and our Magistrate, Revenue Magistrate, Mr. Eric Duka. That also we have already given. And if any will be included, Meghalaya during the detailed survey in Maikhuli area, Muammari bill, which is adjacent to Maikhuli playground, will remain with Assam. And the Maikhuli graveyard will be with Meghalaya. Thus, overall Meghalaya will get approximately 0.50 per square kilometer, and Assam will get approximately 1.74 square kilometer. That's all. Because we have very much protesting this from the beginning, when the Meghalaya state is carved out from the Assam since 1972. We are fighting. And you know, 1976, when Captain Williamson Sangma is the chief minister, was the chief minister. That time, we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma regarding this border problem. There also, we should help from our Didi Lapang. He's still alive. Is very helpful to us in Maikhuli village people. That's why we went to meet the Captain Williamson Sangma that time also. Now, we are not going to give our fishery pond to Assam, because it is a well-known our Maikhuli village fishery pond. Now, since more than 50 years, we are maintaining. That's why we never going to surrender to Assam. It is the main point. That's why we are proceeding today. And also, we have more time. We have given the memorandum also to our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, everyone, Chief Secretary also. When we got this memorandum, I myself, my name is Enepson Barak, I take out this RTI from our Chief Secretary Diwalang. No, that's why I got this memorandum, and I have seen this all the point. No, that's why we are protesting here today. My view and my speak this much. So I request our Honorable Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the Maikhuli village. Thank you.